Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. In today's video, I'll show you how to print things like stickers or images using your Cricut Design Space app and printer. If you need one-on-one support or guidance, you can call us at the numbers displayed on the screen to connect with our experts. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Cricut Design Space on your device and add whatever you want, text, images, you name it. Now, change the font, pick a color you love, and tweak it until it looks right. Once you're fully satisfied with the sticker's design, select the entire text or design and click on the Flatten option in the bottom right corner. Now, go ahead and click on the Make button in the upper right corner. So, as soon as you hit the Make button, you'll be taken to Prepare screen. This is where things come true. Now, if you want to print multiple copies of your printer, just add the number you want in Project Copies and click on Apply. After that, you'll see how all our stickers are arranged on the letter size paper on your mat, which is super helpful. Once everything looks good, click on Continue button. Now, click on the Send to Printer. Before you do that, make sure your printer is connected to your computer and that you've loaded your printable vinyl paper. Note, you can use regular paper if that's what you prefer. A dialog box will appear. Select your printer from the drop-down menu and then just hit the Print button. And that's it. Sit back and let your printer print out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.